Hi guys, in front of me is NOKIA C31 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first unroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select styles and wallpapers and click on change wallpaper. Now you can pick something from your own photos or one from device wallpapers, so let me pick something from this album, and here you can see the wallpapers that are included, and you can check it on both home and lock screen. So you can go through all of them and then pick the one that you like the most. And let me pick, for example, this one. This is how it will look like. Then tap on confirmation mark and confirm that you wish to set it on your home and lock screen. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and also lock screen. So here it is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.